Welcome to the King's Christian Academy. Welcome to our open house. This is our first virtual tour to give you a taste of our beautiful campus.
Hello, and welcome to the King's Christian Academy. My name is Mr. Harris, Jim Harris, and I'm the administrator here. And it's great to have you in our building by virtual open house, virtual video. So this is new to us, but I hope you enjoy your tour with Mrs. Mashtare here. The King's Christian Academy, we're here to help parents and churches educate their children in truth and righteousness with academic excellence and a biblical worldview with Christian character development. So I hope you like your tour. Take a look at the hallways, look in the classrooms, out on the grounds. It's great to have you here. We wish we could have you in person, but this is the way we do it today. And enjoy your tour. Thank you.
Welcome inside of our beautiful building. KCA was founded in 1980 to help service our Southern Maryland community. We have grown from a small classroom to now servicing pre-K all the way through 12th grade. In 1986, God blessed us with this campus that sits on close to 200 acres of land, where we have been able to have an elementary wing, a middle and high school wing, and we just opened up our own high school area as well. We're excited because we serve all of St. Mary's County area, as well as Charles County, and we can go all the way up towards Lusby. St. Mary's County, we do bus in those services for you so that your students will come to KCA. We're an academic program with a biblical foundation. So we teach robotics, we teach STEM, we teach phonics in the Abeka program, and we teach all of these exciting programs with a biblical perspective. We have drama and music and band, and one of the most exciting things about KCA is that students get to go to college during their high school years. We're dual enrolled with Cairn University, which is a university right outside of Philadelphia, and it's a 4-year college program. And students can start taking classes as early as 10th grade. How cool is that? They can take high school classes and college classes at the same time while getting their diploma here and getting classes that'll count towards college with them. We're so excited. Once our students enroll at KCA, we believe in a continuous enrollment program. Basically, once enrolled, always enrolled. And each year we build on what they're learning academically and what they're learning spiritually. We want to grow our community and grow our students to take on the world. And we're excited to have you on our first virtual tour. Our KCA library is an exciting place to be. Students pre-K all the way through 6th grade come on in twice a week. They meet with our librarian and they get to check out a book or two, take it home, read it, and then bring it back the next week. Here we are in the middle of our hallway of KCA. We're blessed because we have an entire elementary wing that has pre-K through 5th grade students, and then we have a hallway for just middle and high school students with all their classrooms and their lockers. That way, preschool through 5th grade can have their own space where they can learn, they can play, and they won't have to be distracted by the different bell sounds. And then middle through high school, they have their own space so that they have their ability to move about their classrooms and rotate throughout the day with their lockers. Welcome to the art room. It's a fun room. This is where our students from pre-K all the way through 12th grade have an opportunity to come on in and learn some art. We also love to teach them about the fact that God was our creator and he created the whole world, and he is the most masterful when it comes to creating colors, objects, shapes. It's an exciting time here in our art room. Welcome to one of our KCA classrooms. Today, we're in one of our kindergarten classrooms, down in our elementary hallway. We do have a preschool program all the way through 5th grade down these hallways. And we're very blessed because each of our classrooms has one of these Fancy smart boards. Kind of one of those boards that replaces the chalkboard where students can write on, teachers can put their lesson plans on, and we can do lots of cool academic learning with our smart board. And every classroom in our elementary wing has a smart board. The kids love it. It's so interactive. Our classrooms are all set up with different teachers and different sizes. Pre-K, we have a teacher and a teacher's aide, and we house 16 students for pre-K. In kindergarten, we do 2 classrooms with up to 20 students in each classroom with a teacher's assistant. After that, we typically range between 20 to 25 students per classroom with a teacher and a teacher's assistant. We like to have smaller classroom environments where they can have some more one-on-one education and they get to have their foundations learned and taught right here in their classrooms. It's really an exciting place to be. Here we are inside of one of our middle and high school classrooms, a literature classroom. We've got lots of classrooms up and down the hallways here. We have our students rotate in different schedules. It's kind of exciting. What we do here at KCA is we do a schedule. It's called block scheduling. So on Monday, students go to all of their classes, and then on Tuesday and Thursday, they go to the same classes, and on Wednesday and Friday, they go to the same classes. So their class times, Tuesday through Friday, are about an hour and a half long. This gives plenty of opportunity for the teachers to teach their class and also for students to ask questions if they have any. We have a morning break from Tuesday through Friday, which is about 20 minutes long. Students can engage in club activities. They could also find their teachers and see if they can get some extra help with some assignments that they have. Or they could use that time to go outside and play or hang out with their friends. But it's a morning break for them to allow them to get a little bit of a catch-up time. We're really liking the way we do our schedule. Wednesday is chapel day, and our students, kinder through 5th, go to chapel together, and then 6th through 12th. Welcome to the high school section of KCA. This is our 5th year with our own high school wing. This is our college and career area. This is where we help students plan for their future. We want to see our students go off into college and be successful. Here we are in our computer lab. Every student, pre-K through high school, uses the computer lab for specials and for their elective, their technology elective. So pre-K through 5th grade, they do specials. They'll do music and computer lab, library, and band, art. We also have a rolling iPad cart for our lower school students, and we also have Chromebooks from middle through high school. Welcome to Music and Band. We're very excited to have our own music program. Students in elementary start taking music for a special in 3rd grade. They'll learn how to do the recorder. And then in 4th grade, all 4th graders pick a band instrument to learn. We also do private lessons after school. And Mr. Gardner, our music and band director, is very experienced with all of the instruments. He does an after-school string club, and also with the lessons. New to KCA this year is our very first drum line, which has been very exciting during our pep rallies and basketball games. We're excited to offer sports here at KCA. We offer volleyball in the fall for middle school and high school. We also offer soccer for middle school and high school. Then in the winter, we start with our basketball season. We have middle school girls, middle school boys, boys and varsity girls basketball, and we also offer cheerleading for both middle school and varsity. Starting in the spring, we do middle school boys flag football, and we also have middle school and high school track and field. We're very excited to announce starting spring softball for girls and baseball for boys, which is really exciting to KCA.
Okay.
Welcome to one of our favorite places here at KCA, outside on the playground. This is where our kids come for recess after lunch, and we actually offer outside play all the way up until 12th grade because there's never an age where a kid doesn't want to come outside and play. So welcome. One of the exciting things here at KCA we do and take serious is the safety of our students. We're equipped with 16 security cameras throughout the entire building, and those security cameras are monitored by our administrator and our safety coordinator. We also have a door in every classroom. If a student needed to get out in an emergency, they would have access to get out right away. Those doors do not have handles on the outside, so no one could come in that's not supposed to be in. And we take our safety serious. We make sure to check in parents at the beginning of KCA when they come in, and we don't just let anyone walk through our hallways without being supervised with one of our office staff. Thank you for visiting our first virtual KCA Tour open house. It was such a pleasure and fun to take you around on close to 200 acres of land to visit our classrooms, our elementary classrooms, middle school, high school, and to look at our beautiful gym. We can't wait to one day meet your KCA soon-to-be student. If you'd like more information about our school, to shoot us an email info@kingschristianacademy.org. And my name is Barbara Mashtare. I'm the admissions director here and would be happy to meet you in person and give you a phone call if you'd like more information. We have our application online as well that you're welcome to fill out. I look forward to meeting you. In the meantime, be blessed and be a blessing.